Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a text spin on CapCut PC. So go to text and add text to track, and I'm just going to type down rotate, and I'm also going to change the font. And I'm going to make the font size smaller so it fits the frame when it rotates. Go to animation and go to loop. Go and scroll down until you find rotate. Select it, and you can also adjust the speed here. If you want it slower, move it to the right. If you want it faster, move it to the left. And that is how you can make a text spin in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!